Welcome to our demo of the Fiix CMMS. In this quick demonstration, we'll cover the basics of the Fiix platform and highlight how you can use Fiix to easily manage your work and your team and keep your assets running at their best. Let's get started. The first thing you see when you log in to Fiix is the dynamic dashboard, which gives you instant insight into key information such as the number of work orders that were or were not completed during the previous shift. You can customize the dashboard to include any widgets or filters that are important to you. And when you see something you want to know more about, just click on the widget to quickly identify and action high-priority items, like overdue work orders. You can even take a look at performance at a plant level or see how all of your sites are performing as a whole. If there are any issues that require immediate attention, use the calendar feature to quickly assign work to a team or individual users. Instead of using your radio to dispatch technicians, Fiix will automatically send out a notification once you've assigned a work order, so that work never falls through the cracks again. Use the Scheduled Maintenance module to keep your maintenance programs running smoothly. Set any repeating work orders, such as preventive maintenance or inspections, to automatically run by time schedules, meter readings or asset condition, and event triggers from integrations with production systems. You can even attach SOPs, checklists, a bill of material for parts, and files such as manuals or images directly to the work order to make it easier for your team to get the job done. The best part is, once a team member is assigned to the work, they can use the mobile app to resolve maintenance issues quickly. Not only can they easily open a push notification to pull up a work order, they can also use the app offline if they're in an area with no internet connection. The app helps teams quickly sort and prioritize tasks and access asset information and work order history on the go so that they know exactly what needs to be done to get the asset up and running again. The app also makes it easy to scan barcodes or QR codes to record parts usage, attach photos, complete tasks, log labor hours, make notes, and more. And of course, closing a work order is as simple as selecting an option from a drop-down menu. When you track parts consumed against a work order, we'll automatically adjust your inventory and notify stores personnel of upcoming parts required for your PMs. If the part is low on stock, we'll send you a notification so that you can issue a PO for reorder. Whether your plant is using Fiix to manage spares directly, or you've got it connected to your inventory management system, such as an ERP, we'll make it easy to track supplier information, consumption rates, and reorder levels. When it comes time to measure and report on your work, use over 100 pre-built reports to analyze maintenance activities and understand what's working and what's not. You can even automate reports so they're delivered directly to your or your manager's inbox. If you're looking to send data from your CMMS to business software such as SAP, Oracle, or NetSuite, Fiix's Integration Hub makes it a breeze to connect your systems. You can even collect data from production systems such as sensors, PLCs, or SCADA to trigger condition-based maintenance work. So say goodbye to paper work orders, whiteboards, spreadsheets, and hard-to-use software, and simplify your journey to modern maintenance with Fiix.